Orthopedic group has developed these videos for your reference upon discharge from the hospital. Today we'll be fitting a Jewett, a hyperextension orthosis, and this is for your spinal fracture. To begin, you will unlock your Jewett brace by sliding the post out of the eye and making sure that our clasp is open and free. When lying down on the bed, you're going to lie flat on your back. You'll begin by placing the brace over the body. The brace should be at the hip level with your hip bones exposed. The top of the brace should be 2 finger widths below the divot at your throat or the sternal notch. Next, you will, as the patient, roll over to your side. Once on your side, you can use some assistance and place the back pad right in the middle of your spine. Next, you will take the clasp with the eye and you'll slide it underneath the waist. With some assistance, you'll hold this pad in place and the patient can now roll over onto the back. Perfect. And straighten your legs. Good. Here, we can now adjust and slide the pad by reaching and finding the strap that we had positioned. Keeping the front of the brace centered and keeping the clasp open, you will pull the strap by putting some fingers through the loop, applying pressure and pulling up so the eye comes through the post and then it'll slide down. Once it's in this position, it is secured, but to tighten it and apply pressure, we will have to push this down in a nice slow motion and pushing towards your back, it will snap into place. So the orthosis, the back brace, is secured to the patient. It is not able to move, and she is safe to now roll over and sit up. So to get up from a bed, you will bend your knees, you will bring your opposite arm over and reach for the side of your bed or couch, and at that point, with maybe some assistance and your own momentum, you will drop your legs down and you'll have to push up with your arms. Use your elbow as a kickstand and rise to sitting. In a seated position, you want to make sure that the brace has now stayed put and not rode up into the armpits, so making sure it's not rubbing. Can you lift your arm up for me? Good. And we have clearance here at the arm, and this side pad is on the rib cage. Also, down at the hip, we have clearance at the hip bone, and it should not be poking into the pelvis. Can you please stand? With the brace on, the patient is able to stand and begin their rehab.